Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sign in with the PSN account you want to change the theme for. Make sure your Ps5 is powered on and connected to the internet. Update system software to the latest version before changing themes. Press the PlayStation button to open the control center and confirm settings access. Have a USB drive or image ready for custom wallpapers if you plan to use your own pictures. This preparation avoids interruptions and keeps downloads fast. Open Settings, go to Themes, and browse Installed or Store Themes. Select a theme preview to check the background and icon changes. Use the directional keys and press X to choose Apply and confirm changes. If you do not have themes installed, visit the PlayStation Store from the same menu. Downloaded themes from the PlayStation Store can be installed and applied immediately. Wait for the installation to complete before navigating away. Prepare a custom image scaled to 1920 by 1080 pixels and save it as a JPEG. Copy that file to a USB drive in a Ps5/images folder and safely eject the drive. Insert the USB into the console, open Media Gallery, and locate your image under USB Media. Select the image, press Options, then choose Set as Wallpaper to apply it. You can revert to default themes anytime from settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.